Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix try searching to get started YouTube. If you're using YouTube in your iPhone or iPad or any Android device and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to open your YouTube app, you see a message that is try searching to get started. So let's see how can you fix that. So basically, it's nothing any issue. It's happens or it will see you whenever you try to open your YouTube app very first time. So now to fix that or to remove that message, you just have to tap on the search option and you have to search for any song, any music, or any video like that. And whenever you have to search for anything, you will not get this message again. So you just have to open your YouTube app here and you have to simply tap on the search option and you have to search for any song or anything which you want to. For example, I have searched for this one. So once you have searched, you will not get the message again on your YouTube screen. So basically, it's the cookie side of your YouTube app. So whenever you try search anything, you will get the content relating to your search on your YouTube app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.